Witness.
What time is it? I gotta be over at the Carillion Suite soon. But hey, don't.
Did you live down Santa Cruz?
I actually live in Watsonville.
Oh, great.
Frame, letting you produce your own fully animated features. Sound incredible? Keep listening. My 4-voice, 9-octave stereo sound lets you recreate dozens of musical instruments and sounds. Anything from the tonal clarity of a xylophone to the powerful resonance of a full choir. No matter what your musical background or skill, there's an Amiga music software package suited to your needs. Deluxe music construction set and instant
Amiga 500, the ultimate home office computer designed for maximum ease of use. I can do virtually anything you would use an IBM compatible for, only more. Even your most routine tasks become faster, easier, more enjoyable with my brilliant color, advanced graphics, and point-and-click mouse control. I turn word processing into idea processing. I provide true freedom of thought and expression. I help you say what you want to say, the way you want to say it, in words or pictures or both. I run powerful word processing programs like WordPerfect, currently the world's best-selling word processing software. And I'm compatible with a full range of dot matrix and laser printers for a wide variety of superior quality outputs. When it comes to spreadsheets, I really mean business. With packages like Best's Business Management, Intuitive Technologies MaxiPlan, Microsystems Analyze, and Lattice's Unicalc, I simplify financial planning and organization, so running a home or small business becomes faster, easier, and more manageable. With more sophisticated graphics packages like Aegis Impact, I add persuasive power to your small business presentations and sales materials. Database management, no problem. Precision Superbase, Microsystems Organize, Taurus Impex's Acquisition. Just some of the programs that let me help you put things in their place. And both Superbase and Software Vision's Microfiche Filer can create D-base files of pictures or photographs. Add an Amiga modem, and now you're talking to a vast network of other computer users. Tap into a variety of Amiga bulletin boards or information retrieval services for quick, easy access to Wall Street stock reports or electronic encyclopedias. Download free programs developed by other Amiga users, even play games online. But it's desktop publishing that really turns me on. Now it's possible to combine my extensive graphic and information processing features to produce professional quality reports, pamphlets, newsletters, flyers, brochures, any printed communication for business, school, home, or recreation. With a desktop publishing package, such as Gold Disc's Page Setter, Microsurge's City Desk, or Brown Way's Publisher 1000, plus an Amiga-compatible dot matrix printer, I can produce amazingly sharp documents and publications. Make it an Okimate or HP color printer, and affordable color output is within your grasp. Make it a laser printer, and you've got your own small business at minimal investment. Now for the real surprise. You can do many of these amazing things at the same time, because I'm the world's only true multitasking home computer. At the touch of a button, you can simultaneously transfer in a major breakthrough in time management and personal productivity. I am your complete home office and communications center. I am productive.
I am the Commodore Amiga 500, the ultimate educational resource, the perfect computer for students, from preschoolers to postgraduates. An outstanding array of quality educator-developed software is just one part of the story. My expertise in animation, art, data management, idea processing, video, and music makes me the ideal teacher, giving new meaning to the term homework. My mouse-controlled operating system couldn't be easier, just right for little hands with growing minds. My vivid color graphics and stereo sound capture attention, reward performance, and make learning more fun. And with talking software from Micro Illusions and First Byte, I can even read stories out loud to kids. My unique combination of the factual and the fanciful makes me perfect for junior high, high school, and college students. An ever-expanding offering of innovative educational programs from publishers like Q, Microed, and Intellectual Software speeds learning, improves understanding, and broadens one's horizons. In fact, many colleges and universities now use the Amiga to create their own software programs and systems. Graduate students and educators will find in me unlimited potential for success. Compiling and analyzing data become faster and more productive. Animated reports, lessons, and presentations help you demonstrate to others exactly what you think and leave a lasting impression. I am what higher education is all about. I am enlightening.
I am the Commodore Amiga 500. I am the ultimate home video game machine with advanced color graphics and exclusive stereo sound. The only home computer that puts true arcade graphics into your hands. Because if you could look deep into the heart of many coin-operated arcade games, you'd find the very same control boards that power each and every Amiga. My game collection includes entertainment of virtually every type. Enter strange new worlds of fantasy and fascination with role-playing adventures like The Bard's Tale by Electronic Arts, Micro Illusions' Lands of Legends, and Mindscape's Defender of the Crown. Take the ultimate test of strategy and skill as you go one-on-one with Electronic Arts Chessmaster 2000. Get behind the cockpit of Sublogic's Flight Simulator 2, or dive deep into the depths of the ocean with Silent Service from Microprose. Let me take you to imaginative new worlds of interactive fiction, adventure, and mystery with Infocom's Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, Leather Goddesses of Phobos, and Zork series. Compete to the roar of the crowd in stereo with sports stars like Earl Weaver's Baseball from Electronic Arts and the ultimate game of golf, Leaderboard from Access Software. And bring arcade skill and action home with Marble Madness by Electronic Arts and Firebird's Star Glider. There's no end to the fun and excitement. I am your complete game and home entertainment center. I am fun.
Yeah.
I am the Commodore Amiga 500. I am all that you have seen, all that you have heard, all that you have experienced, and more. I am the center of the entire family of Commodore Amiga hardware, software, and peripherals, including the Commodore Amiga 2000, the ultimate professional computer.
I am beautiful.
I am sight and sound.
I am productive.
I am enlightening.
I am fun.
And now, you can be everything that I am. Only Amiga makes it possible.
The next step is yours. Return this tape to your authorized Commodore Amiga 500 dealer and discover for yourself all the excitement, beauty, and power. Only Amiga makes it possible.
First things you do is like say, what's that? Have we actually on? How many
virtual machine of the future. It's going to skyrocket. Only Amiga makes it possible.
Only Amiga makes it possible. Only Amiga makes it happen. Only Amiga makes it possible. Only Amiga makes it happen.
Amiga's got the guts to do things that you can't do on other hardware.
And it does all the work for you. Wow.
State-of-the-art technology at a price that everybody can afford.
The Amiga is the best graphics machine available in the world today.
Only Amiga.
Only Amiga.
Only Amiga. Only Amiga.
Only Amiga.
Only Amiga.
Only Amiga.
Only Amiga.
Makes it possible.
Only Amiga.
Only Amiga makes it possible.
Only Amiga
Outrageous.
makes it possible.
Fabulous.
Only Amiga makes it possible.
This is it.
I'm the Commodore Amiga 500 home computer. Dazzling animation at your command. I am the Commodore Amiga 500, a multitasking home office in your hand. I am the Commodore Amiga 500, total home video you control, and arcade quality games in stereo. And now, you can be everything I am. Call 1-800-US-AMIGA or see your Amiga dealer for a free home video demonstration. Only Amiga makes it possible.
That's right. Where's my microphone?
Oh, here's one right here.
I thought I did a good job. Maybe that's for Angie. Why, thank you.
Over was there. Yeah. It was that we took a trip to Stuttgart.
That's right.
Just a picture. You're a big shot, eh? You're staying at the Las Vegas Hilton. I was talking next year to meet with my beavers. There's no place to sit down or something. I think, why shouldn't I stay in the Hilton? Probably doesn't cost more. I don't pay any bills.
He's the artist.
Caesar's is not cheap. Valleys, we always say valleys. I don't know why we call them Caesar's. So you're here till when? Wednesday. Dinosaur, first Panasonic split.
Yeah, that technology moved a long way in the last few years.
In your hand, I am the Commodore Amiga 500. Total home video you control, and arcade quality games in stereo. And now, you can be everything I am. Call 1-800-US-AMIGA or see your Amiga dealer for a free home video demonstration. Only Amiga makes it possible.
Performance and productivity made possible by the new Commodore Amiga 500 home computer. Sit back and get set for the ride of your life.
I am the Commodore Amiga 500. I am the ultimate home computer. So easy to use, with powers and abilities far beyond anything you may have ever experienced before. I am dazzling graphics and animation, a home office productivity wonder. I am extraordinary home video production and special effects, a versatile composer of thought as well as music. I am arcade quality games in stereo, a teacher of fact, and a teller of tales. I am 512,000 bytes of pure power, expandable to 1 full megabyte of internal memory. I am the mighty Motorola 68,000 microprocessor, an impossible in a home computer. And now, you can be everything that I am.
I am the Commodore Amiga 500, the ultimate creative computer, with graphics so advanced and animation so striking, you won't believe your eyes. My incredible information processing capabilities and state-of-the-art software, like Electronic Arts Deluxe Paint 2, make creating your own high-resolution artwork and graphic design simpler, more rewarding. With new Text Digipaint, choose from a palette of 4,096 vibrant colors, all on screen at once. 16 shades of gray. Create vivid masterpieces complete with simulated lighting and shadows. My mouse is your paintbrush. Or expand your artistic horizons with a peripheral drawing tablet like Anakin Research's easel, or with a photo digitizer like NewText DigiView. Produce pictures, charts, any precision drawing with breathtaking accuracy and an exacting detail. With byte-by-byte Sculpt 3D, you can add an uncanny new dimension of realism. I am ingenious microcomputer-aided design with an array of powerful professional design programs like Aegis Draw Plus and Microillusions Dynamic CAD. In fact, professional architects, engineers, and designers actually use the Amiga to generate designs, schematics, and blueprints. Plus, I can literally bring your Amiga creations to life. Aegis Animator and Videoscape 3D and Electronic Arts Deluxe Video are just some of the programs that let you create moving images as simple as stick figures or as complex as detailed professional quality cartoons. I am your home art, animation, and design studio. I am beautiful.
I am the Commodore Amiga 500, a computer of unique vision, 4-voice stereo sound, and unlimited possibilities. the first home computer designed to let you join the revolution in home video and music. I can be linked directly to your VCR via an Amiga RF modulator, letting you record onto video anything your mind is capable of creating or composing. With the simple addition of a Memetics Imagen, I become your center of home video production. This Genlock system lets you overlay computer-generated images and sounds directly onto any live or pre-recorded videotape source. Now the fun begins. With packages like Aegis' Video Titler, Zuma Group's TV Text, and JDK Images Pro Video CG1, you can produce titles, captions, and multi-layered special effects, combining computer-generated images and 3D animation with any video image to create your own customized video productions. Go from this to this. Turn your home movies into Hollywood epics. Produce your own music videos. Even customize your favorite pre-recorded video cassettes so that this time the gorilla gets the girl. Better still, add a photo digitizer like Mutex DigiView. With this affordable device in place, I can scan any non-computerized image, a photograph, a document, a drawing, and feed it directly into my memory. Once here, you can save it, change it, color it, customize it for use with any of your other Amiga creations. With your VCR's freeze frame control, I can even animate frame by frame, letting you produce your own fully animated features. Sound incredible? Keep listening. My 4-voice, 9-octave stereo sound lets you recreate dozens of musical instruments and sounds. Anything from the tonal clarity of a xylophone to the powerful resonance of a full choir. No matter what your musical background or skill, they're suited to your needs. Deluxe music construction set and instant music from Electronic Arts, Aegis' Sonics, Activision's Music Studio, and Micro Illusion's Music X are scoring hits everywhere. And with an optional Memetics musical instrument digital interface firmly in place, you can add electronic synthesizers and other MIDI instruments to your setup. Now you can compose music the way professional musicians do, fantastically. I can help you score your own video productions, adding an unforgettable dimension of sound, music, and realism to your imagination. I am your total home video and music studio. I am Sight and Sound.
Camera from Canon that lets you see your pictures right away on television. The Canon ZapShot doesn't use film, which has to be developed before you can see your pictures. ZapShot uses this standard 2-inch video floppy disk, similar to the discs used in home computers. We call this disc a ZapShot album because it holds 50 pictures. That's right, 50 images can be stored on this disc. I'll just slip it into my ZapShot camera. Automatic. As a matter of fact, it is so simple to